Hi, good day. This is Group 3. This will be our desktop application for Bukidnon State University Library Management System. The purpose of our desktop application is for the books management of the library. To be able to access to the system, the librarian must enter its required username, which is admin, then the password, which is also admin, then log in to see or to display the transaction page of the administrator. In the transaction page, we have add book, add borrower, reservation list, issue book, return books, and inventory. In adding book, of course, we have book information. Then in book information, we have book category, which under the book category, we have programming, English, math, science, and other. We choose now the programming as a book category. In rack number, the rack number is the location of the book where it could be found. Then we put 3 as the rack number. Then the title of the book, which is the OP tutorial. Then the author of the book, Mark Freeman. Then book published. In book published, it is where and when the book published. New York City, 2000. Then publisher name, TV distribution. Then the ISBN number. Then the copyright. Oh, copyright. Copyright. Then copies. Number of book copies. We have 4. Then the status of the book. New. Then add the book. Then it prompted again, it successfully saved into our system. Then let's see if the book really added to the system. Then click the checkbox to enable the box. So search book, the rack number of the book, 3. Then as you can see, it is uh, it is here. Then edit the book information. Now we change the title into advanced Java tutorial. Then update the book. Then it prompted again, successfully updated. Then click OK. Then let's see again if the book really update the status of the book. Then as you can see, it was really updated. Then next, we search again the rack number of the book. Another book. We type another rack number 7. We found the PHP tutorial by Mark Freeman. And edit the book information, and we can now delete this book information in our database, in our system. Then it prompted again, are you sure you want to delete this book? If we click cancel, the book will not delete the information. Then again, click the delete button. And if we click OK button, the book will delete to the system data. Then Search again, book, we found none. Nothing is existed. Then next, we go to the add borrower. In add borrower, of course, we need this information to access our web application in order to reserve books through web. Then the user will, the librarian will input its borrower's ID, then the username of the borrower, then the password, then the first name of the borrower, including the last name, Wendy, and the last name, Hanuba. Then the gender of the borrower, which is female, then the type, student, or under the type, we have two, student and lecturer. Then we choose student as the type of Gwendolyn. Then the address of the borrower, Medino. Then the contact number, 929101010. Then add, when prompted again, successfully saves the borrower into our system. So to be able to search to see if the borrower exists in our system, we search the borrower's ID. Yes, it really exists in our system. So next, we highlight, search another borrower ID, then edit the borrower's information. Then we're gonna delete this information of our borrower. Then it prompted again, are you sure you want to delete this borrower? Click OK. Then prompted again, successfully deleted. Search again the borrower's ID if it was really deleted to our system. One. Nothing exists. Then search again another borrower's ID, Minilin Hanubas. Edit borrower's information, then update the borrower's information. We change the username into Janaza. Then update. Then it prompted again, successfully updated the borrower's information. Search again the borrower with its borrower ID. First name, let's see. Then the username, change into Janessa. Click the checkbox. Issue the book. In issuing the book, we're gonna search the borrower's name or ID. Then it appears the borrower ID 1000, which is owned by Gwendolyn Hanubas. Then if we click the name, or if we highlight the name of the borrower, the results will be displayed into the results borrower, which is Gwendolyn Hanubas. Then search the book he or she borrowed. 8. Then it is Advanced Java Tutorial, Mark Freeman. If we highlight again the title of the book or the author, the title the title will display into the results book space. Advanced Java tutorial. Then the issue button will now be enabled. Click issue, then successfully issued. It will come to again successfully issued. So after issuing book in our borrower, next is we're gonna click the view button to see the list of all issued books and its borrower. So the form of list of issued book displays the title of the book, the author, and the borrower, then when the date issued, then highlight the author, just highlight and click, then the return button enable now, then click return. After clicking return, the main form now displays, and let's view the return books page if it really displays. Then as you can see, it is okay. Then it displays the rack number, the book title, then the author, borrower's name, and when the book is returned. Okay. Then next, we go to the reservation list page to see the reservation of the borrowers. Again, we see that Janessa option reserves the book. The title of the book is OP tutorial. Then the author is Ken Chef. Then it is reserved at November 4, 2014, 4 a.m. Then highlight. Next is we're going to the issue book. Then successfully issue the book. Then in inventory page we have the book records. It displays all the books available in our system, or all the records in our system. Then we have book title, which we inputted a advanced Java tutorial, PC Java tutorial, O tutorial, PHP tutorial, marketing, finance, language skills. Then we have author, we have Mark Freeman, then date added. It includes the time and when the book is added, then the total number of copies of the book, then the returned books, issued books, damage, and loss. In our sample, we returned one book, which is Advanced Java Tutorial. Then we also issued one book, which is OP Tutorial by Kenny Chef. So, by the way, in Add Borrower, if we if we empty the text box, if you click Add, it prompted please provide sufficient data. Of course, it needed a information to add in our system. So also in our add book, if we leave it empty, then the system requires the sufficient data of our system. So in our add book also, if we search book, we also include the rack number and title, author. We either of the three we're going to use. Then let's say the title of the book, P6. P6 displays, then the rack number, Let's try the rack number of the book. 6. Space again. And the author of the book. Mark Freeman. Okay, displays all the Mark Freeman's book. Then that would be all with our desktop application of Buchanan State University AESC AESC Library Management System. Good day.